Hi guys, Martina here. I'm a professional photographer, and in this video we'll take a look at the new ring light from Nanlite, the Halo 14. I like the Halo 14 because it's a really simple and versatile ring light, and you can use it for all sorts of stuff like video making, makeup, selfies, or just as an extra light in any photo or video session. In this video we'll take a look at the basic setup and application. It comes in a really convenient bag, perfect for keeping it safe when you want to bring it with you, or just for safe storage. The bag contains the Nanlite, of course, a power cable, a table stand, a cell phone bracket, and a mirror. To set it up, just expand the table stand. In the bottom of the Halo, you find the mount. Place the Halo on the table stand and turn the knob to the right. Then connect the power cable and turn it on. The Nanlite is really easy to operate. It only comes with two knobs. One is to control how bright you want the light to be. And the other one is to control if you want to have a more warm light or a more cold light. To attach the cell phone bracket, you just place it in the middle of the Nanlite and turn the knob to the left to lock it. It also comes with a USB output, so you can charge your phone while using it. The mirror attaches the same way. Just place it in the middle of the Nanlite and turn the screw to the left. That's it. That's the basics. As you can see, it's really easy to set up and use. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to be creative with your Nanlite.